Welcome back to Where Did the Bad Chickens Go? Part 4, I guess. So right now I'm going to go ahead and clear where I think these poles are going to go. And then when my assistants come out, we will move this and lash it down, increase the height, put the chicken wire on it, and lash it down. Maybe not all in that order, but that's what we're going to do right now. So, let's get to it, shall we? Ready, Max? Get to it. There we go. All right, check it out. So, 50 feet went all the way around, front and back. And we unrolled it, attached it here, stretched it all the way around so we could get this end attached. And we got this one just bungee corded to the pole, but we've got huge zip ties to that one right now. This is all, relatively temporary until we get it in better place. Get better tie downs. As you can see, we have zip ties up here, keeping the fence from falling down. And we're zip tied to the fence. And we're going around and we're reinforcing right now. So I'll show you that more in a moment. Ready? Almost done. Okay, so we have zip tied to the fence, zip tied to the fence pole, zip tied to the actual fence itself. 3 big gray zip ties. Zip tie chicken wire to the fence all the way along so they can't get out. You can see fence pole, fence pole, fence pole. Chicken wire is just zip tied on. We use this piece as the angles, and we're not even going to bother cutting it. Just gonna, as you can see, we just zip tied it in place. There's a little hole up there, but I don't think we have to worry about that. We might get a ladder and zip tie it, but we just overlap the edges. And now we're going to work on this bottom to make sure that they can't just push out from underneath. And my idea for that is using our old well pipe that's over there, putting that down on the ground and zip tying the bottom fence to that, and that'll hold that down. And then we'll find a more permanent anchor solution for all these. Ideally, I'd get the screw down anchors. I might just put a piece of rebar. I have to figure that out. If I use that pipe, I could drill holes in it. I don't know. But hey, this is up. We're taking a break for lunch, and we come back. What we're going to do is put some doors in here, and we've been talking about using pallets. So we'll get to that right now. Ready? Let me show you its features. So, ta-da! We are ready to put the chickens in. We have flattened it out. We zip tied the chicken wire to the well pipe. And I had another piece of pipe that I zip tied that into, so you can't get out that way. We were just able to barely get that thing in. Mm-hmm. The distance, that's what she said, the distance between here was take the roof off and had to pull this door out. Talking about the door, we had a couple different options, but fastest, easiest thing to do right now and cheapest was to use this. This is a coat hanging rack or clothes hanging rack for like a Sunday bazaar. A friend of ours used to hang things from this, and the tops are set, but you could take these poles out and the whole thing breaks down and fits in your car. Well, if you notice, it is the exact perfect size for this pallet wall. All we did was screw these two pallets together and zip tied it to the fence over there. These are our nifty difty hinges for the door. Let me show you how those work. Okay, you just grab this thing and move it out of the way. Boop, you're in. And you go inside and pull the door in, close behind you. So we'll work on doing something a little more permanent, but for right now, to get the chickens out of where they were, this is a perfect solution. As you can see, zip tied to the fence, zip tied to the fence. Chicken wire is zip tied. Probably add some more zip ties up here. We're also figuring out a way to totally enclose this. So we'll figure that out. But right now what we're going to do is move the chickens in, and I'll show you that in a moment. So are you ready? Ready, marks, get set. Done. And there we have it. 3 happy chickens working on the compost pile. This has been been in the works, in the plans ever since we got here. Of course, is to help them help us make dirt. And we've got some great dirt here, and these guys, oh, this is just fantastic. Yeah. So, we'll work on making it better, stronger, faster, easier. We'll go ahead and get it cleaned up and get everything out of the way and get a view of what it looks like from the distance. So hold on right now. Ta-da! All right. Got the food and water in there. Got it all raked up. A little bit of grading process. There's our food and water and the hutch. Hi guys. Using this is this door handle, hinges, just for the moment until I can put a board in there, just blocking those holes. Not that they can get out, but they're like sticking their head out. Just got done, that's why I'm out of breath, just got done raking all this up against the fence to hide the pipe. And make sure that the cage is completely covered with ground, chicken wire. Over here I raked this area up where they were, just push that all up against the fence. They could pick at it, pull it through the fence if they want. That helps stop some of the flooding from getting in there. They are in a high spot in the yard. The water is going to flow through here at some point, but at the high part it'll come through here. Yeah, right next to the gardens, we're also going to continue raised beds this way, this whole way here. This is the spillway, and along the fence line here, we're going to try to grow pumpkins and stuff like that. It gets morning sun, and if the water keeps flowing in here, pumpkins, watermelons, whatever, we'll have to do something down in the overflow pond area that we built with the tractor. But this is fantastic. Look at that. Look at that. And what I'll do to finish anchoring it is get some screw down anchors. Put 3 screw in anchors and then either ratchet strap it down to them from up here on the roof. This side's anchored in to the fence. I'm not too concerned about that, but I want to keep this from lifting up and getting blown away. So we'll work on that in a future video. But how exciting is this? We just added 200 square feet of composting, chickens. It's fantastic. And we had a little bit of fun for them to play on over there. Well, hey, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next episode. Love you later. Bye.